Today's show is sponsored by Orange County Family Dentistry, located at 1570 West Hospital Road. For more information, visit their Facebook page or contact them at 812-723-3959.
Good morning, I'm Allie, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, February 12th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paolimedia at paoli.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in the drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Music Monday. We will play a song, and you have to tell us what the song title and artist is. Here's the song. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right, here I am. Already thinking about lunch? Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Try High Y will be selling goodie bags, or you can decorate a cookie for your sweetheart or BFF this Valentine's Day. Stop by the tables outside of the cafeteria today, tomorrow, or Wednesday to celebrate the people who are special to you. And now to Joni with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Allie. In honor of Girls Semi-State this Saturday, we will be having dress-up days this week. Today is Sweating It Out, tomorrow is Favorite Band T-Shirt Remember, Wednesday is On Wednesdays We Wear Pink, Thursday is USA, and Friday is Purple and Gold. The theme for the game on Saturday is White Out. On Friday, the varsity and JV Rams basketball team faced off against county rivals the Orleans Bulldogs at home. The JV and varsity both won. On Saturday, the varsity girls basketball team won both rounds of regionals and is now advancing to semi-state. Great job, Lady Rams. Tonight, the varsity and JV boys basketball team will travel to Eastern Pekin. The JV will tip off at 6 and the varsity will follow after. Back to you, Allie.
Just a reminder that yearbooks are still for sale. Anyone interested in purchasing a book can still do so, but the cost is now $40. Please reserve your book today. And now to Ian with your weather report.
Thank you, Alice. Today we have no chances of rain. As we do head through your week, we do have about a 50% chance on Wednesday and about a 60% chance on Thursday. For your weather today, we have a high of 42 and a low of 24. Heading through your week on Tuesday, we do have a high of 48 and a low of 37. And on Wednesday, we have a high of 58 and a low of 54. Back to you, Allie.
We will now go to Casey with what's on trend today.
Thank you, Allie. On Trend today is a look at what is trending in the news this morning. We look at Google Trends and Twitter to keep you updated on what's happening outside PHS. Our first trending topic is American snowboarder Jessica Jensen, who barely missed a spot on the Olympic podium with a great run. Our final trending marathon 4K, who was in 8th place in the sprint race, but won gold in the 5-kilometer race. That's what's on trend today. Check back with us next week to keep you in the loop. Back to you, Allie.
I'm Allie, and that's your PHS News Today. Have an Allie amazing day.